Hello friends, I am Anindita Saha from Ramford Government Medical College and Hospital. I am a first year MBBS student. I had a great wish to make videos when I will be in medical college, and today I am in the medical college, and I want to make videos sharing my college experiences and sharing about MBBS profession. So it's my first video and I am going to share with you about the first year MBBS subjects. Which subject we have to read in the first year MBBS. So basically in first year we will have to read three subjects: anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. But in 2019-20 session, MCI has introduced community medicine in first year, but it's not a mandatory subject. Means you will have not to pass in this subject, but professor will take class and they will take items and exams to just give you about the basic concept or about the primary knowledge about the community medicine, which you will have to learn in the next coming years in MBBS courses. So mainly three subjects: anatomy, physiology, biochemistry. Among these, anatomy will be the first test. In anatomy you will have a main anatomy book such as of BD Chaurasia, AKD, Gray's Anatomy. Different books are available in the market, but I use BD Chaurasia because it is quite easy and it will clear your concept very nicely. Beside this, you will have to read osteology, embryology, histology, and dissection will be also there. And in osteology you will have to read about bones. What are the definitions of bone, how bones develop, what are the types of bone, what bones we have in our bodies. So you will have to purchase a book on osteology, and you may purchase or may not, but you will have these subjects included in anatomy. Next comes the embryology. This is the most interesting subject, I think. In this subject, what we learn that how from the zygote a baby is developing. I found it very interesting, and in embryology, different books are there. I.V. Singh, Yogesh Santake. I use the Yogesh Santake book. It have a very clear concept and very clear images, and it is very interesting. Next you will have to go through the histology. So what is histology? In histology you will have to read about the different tissue or cells present in the different organ in our body, such as you have to see the kidney cells under the microscope, you have to see the liver cells, spleen cells, different types of cells from different body organ. You will have to see this under the microscope, and the slides of that tissues will be prepared will be given to you from the college, and just you will have to see and have to go through the different knowledges about the tissues, and you will have to also make a practical book. Beside this, you will have to go through the dissection, which first day it will be very exciting. After that you will be habituated with the dissection, and I literally love the first year MBBS, or I am falling in love with the MBBS profession, seeing the teachers, professors, Mm, so today up to this, I am going to start with the embryology. I will develop videos explaining different part of embryology and how the embryo is developing, different stages of development. Mm, if you like my videos, please share it and inspire me giving a like. Okay, thank you.